If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on Realme 14T, then let me try to help you solve this issue. So the first thing that we can do is go to settings, and obviously we want to check if airplane mode is enabled, because although it might sound silly, sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we are not even aware of that. So just make sure that airplane mode is not enabled. After that, we can go to mobile network, and you can check, for example, the internet option over here. At least in my case, I can choose the internet because I have two SIM cards, so this might be relevant only if you have two SIM cards on your phone. In that case, make sure that the correct SIM card is being used for mobile data. Besides that, over here we can check if the mobile data is even enabled, so we want to make sure that it is on. You can simply turn off and turn on as well. Sometimes this helps too. There is also the auto switch data SIM option, which allows the phone to switch between SIM cards if, for example, one or the main, or let me try to rephrase it, if the connection of the main SIM card is poor. So in that case, the phone switches to another SIM card if it's of course available. Besides that, of course, we can make sure that the SIM card is enabled at all. And you can also check the preferred network type. For example, if you turn off 5G by choosing any other option than the first one, this might also be the reason why you cannot access the mobile data. Although it shouldn't really be the problem. If you actually switched, then just switch for a second to 5G, make sure that 5G is selected, and then see if that helps. And if none of this helps, if you still cannot access mobile data, if you still cannot use the internet by using your mobile data, there is one more thing that we can do. More precisely, we're gonna go back to the settings, scroll all the way down, choose system and update, then go to backup and reset, then reset phone, and then over here we have reset network and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, we will reset three things at once. That is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and of course the mobile network settings. We are interested in the latter one. However, obviously, these things are we reset all of these all together, so we cannot separate it, unfortunately. So if you decide to reset, you will reset your Wi-Fi networks, the phone will forget all Wi-Fi networks and all Bluetooth devices. So remember to reconnect to your devices and Wi-Fi networks. Once the option has been used, once you reset these settings, you can go back to mobile network. And just once again, make sure that first of all, mobile data is enabled, the correct SIM card is selected, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye.